Hello everyone. Following last lesson, today I'm going to talk about generate some animation. It's assuming your boss wanted you to make some showcase to your customer, moving the red box into a green carton box. So how do you do that? First of all, you will think about, let's make a trajectory. Let the red box follow the trajectory into the box. Okay, let's get a start. So first of all, 3D model to the sketch. Select a plan. Want to start a straight line. Can we select straight line here? No. That means I have to do a project. Yes. So now there's a point, reference point has been generated. Let's make something simple. Just a straight line, hard turning, hard angle, and that. Same thing. So enter. I need to make a reference point again. Straight line from here. Enter. Yeah. So once you've done the straight line, click finish. You need to make a feature. So let's do a feature. Can we do a feature? Question mark. 3D sketch again. So let's try to do a circle to see whether we can do that. No, it's only for cut. Problem. And so return. That means you can't do features straight away in the assembly easily. So another way, create a part. Okay, so let's call that reference 1. Okay, then let's select a plan for reference. I think can we do a feature? It asked me to select them again. All right, let's get started. Let's do circle again. Can we make a feature on that? Extrude. Now we'll create a feature. Then now we need to make a pattern. Feature selection. Can you select the line? Nope. That's the problem because they are in different parts. So one is in the local part, one is in the assembly. So that's why you kind of select here. Let's return first. Feature is already here. Then we copy, go there, Control C. Let's go back to the reference interface, reference editing, then create a 2D sketch again. Select the plan, Control V. Okay, I think the sketch is already here. Let's click finish sketch. Return, just double check. The new sketch is here, so we deleted the original one. Delete. Oh, it's there. All right. Let's go back there again. The part. Again, do the pattern. We select the part. Then select the path. Click OK. Okay, you can see a pattern is created according to the path we generated, which is that. Good. Now, there's a problem. In order to make the animation, the animation require a function. So instead of using a constant 10 or 1, we needed to make a function first, or say reference. Let's go to the manager, parameter, add a numeric. Let's say something, my function, millimeters, 1 millimeters. Then we needed to go back to the pattern again. Yeah, you have more selections, say list of parameters, and my function. Click OK. Because it's 1 millimeter, so you will see it's less obvious. Okay, we make some basic pattern. We return to the and we make the parameters. So that's the first two key elements we needed to build before making animation following the trajectory. Now, exciting time. We go back to the environment and click Inventor Studios. And you select the parameters favorites. You need to highlight that to make that enable. Then click the, so that means you have your favorite parameters, which is the one you just set up. Enabled animation. Not active mode. Click OK. Okay, we click the parameters to start it, to select one of the function. Select the function. You see, and I don't know. Let's say 2000 1 meter. 1 meter. Specify start from 0. Let's say 10 seconds. 10 seconds. We say OK. Oh, beautiful. You see, something is happening. We can see the animation. So that means within 10 seconds time, the part is moving 1 meter, or say 1,000 of sorry, not 1 meter, 1,000 millimeter. That's based on fraction, which is 1 mil. So we can edit it. Double click. Oh, sorry, 100 millimeters. Let's say that. 1300, 1500, 1700. Where is it? I think that's about it. Let's click OK. Then go back. Let's see the animation again. 10 seconds. Start. See? Moving, following the path, and drop. Nice. Okay, so this is today's lesson. So the recap what we have learned. We created some feature to follow a path. In the next lesson, I will hook the red box onto the new created feature. So actually, we will see the box is moving according to the new feature we created. And that's the basic animation we started. So okay, it's already too much to learn. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe. Bye.